What is up, guys? Mr. Rasmussen here, otherwise known as the Woodbender, because I am the master of all the shop elements, and today I am continuing my pen making series by making pen number 21 out of 27. The 27 pens are all rare or exotic wood species, and so far I am really happy with how well the collection is coming along. And I am really excited to add today's pen to the collection because the wood for today's pen comes from Africa and it's called Bubinga. Another name for Bubinga is African rosewood, and it grows in the Ivory Coast, Cameroon, and Gabon. Bubinga trees are often very large, often reaching heights of more than 100 feet and trunk diameters of 3 feet. Logs may weigh thousands of pounds, as this is a very heavy wood. When freshly sawn, the wood has an unusual and unpleasant odor that thankfully disappears after drying. The rich grain and high hardness make this wood perfect for decorative flooring and tabletops. So just like the other episodes in my pen making series, I will be rating this wood based off of 3 categories, and then I'll give the pen an R score. The R is for where I rank the pen as my favorite within my collection, and the 3 categories are price, workability, and aesthetics. Starting out with price, a board foot of Bubinga will cost about $25 here in the United States. That is on the high end of the price range, but not nearly as high as some of the other woods I've used. It still probably wouldn't be a wood species that you'd want to make a piece of furniture out of if you're looking to stay on a budget. So for price, I give Bubinga a 5 out of 10. Moving into workability, Bubinga was not too bad. It is extremely dense, as I mentioned, and sanding this piece took a little longer than normal. So for workability, I give Bubinga a 4.5 out of 10. Wrapping it up with aesthetics, this is going to be a great pen to add to my collection. It adds a nice shade of a darker brown color to all the other browns in my collection. For overall aesthetics, I give Bubinga a 6 out of 10. And now for the R score. As of the making of this video, there are 20 other pens in my collection, and I will be ranking Bubinga at number 17, ahead of olive wood and behind American black walnut. So with that, this episode is complete. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. Here's all the pen blanks that I still need to turn. We're really getting down to the end of this, so like and follow along and let me know which one you think I should do next.